Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the FABULETTA vacuum cleaner and how well it actually picks up. So here I have some protein powder, and here I have hair. So this is some hair here on the floor. Want to just kind of give a comparison and see how well this thing will pick it up on the first pass. So let's have a look. So we're gonna start with the protein powder first. Okay. Wow. It looks like it got up everything. Let me do a swipe and see if I feel any particles. No, I don't see anything or feel anything. Okay, so far good. Now let's see about the hair. Okay, I know you saw that. Literally, it was suctioning it up before I even rolled a brush over it. There are no hair pieces here at all. Wow. For this to be a cordless vacuum, I think that's pretty impressive. Let's see if it's in the canister here. The hair pieces in this suction it right up. Now let's see if it's stuck in the brush here. Does look like it's in the brush, but I wonder if I just keep vacuuming if it will eventually just continue to suction it up. Okay, so it does seem to be in the brush still. That's the only con I would say, is that the hair is still stuck here. Now I'm not sure if I were to just keep vacuuming, if it will continue to just suction it up eventually, but either way, it picks it up very, very well. So I'm very, very impressed with that. But yeah, overall, I'd still give it a 5 out of 5 because the hair part is really not that big of an issue for me. As long as it's picking it up, that's my biggest concern. So that's something to note though, that it can get stuck in a brush. But yeah, so far, I think this is a really great vacuum, especially for it to be a cordless one. It's picking up pretty much like any other vacuum would. So very, very impressed. I think I'd recommend it to anyone else.